3D printing is a process of creating a physical object from a digital design using a printer that builds it layer by layer. The process starts with creating a digital model of the object using computer-aided design (CAD) software. This model is then divided into thousands of thin horizontal layers, and a 3D printer uses this information to build the object layer by layer, starting from the bottom and working its way up. 3D printing has been around for over 30 years and has evolved from a tool for rapid prototyping in the manufacturing industry to a technology with applications in many fields, including healthcare, architecture, fashion, and aerospace. In healthcare, for example, 3D printing is used to create custom prosthetics, implants, and even human organs for transplantation. In architecture, 3D printing is used to create scale models of buildings, and in fashion, it is used to create unique and intricate designs that would be difficult or impossible to produce with traditional manufacturing methods. One of the key benefits of 3D printing is that it enables the production of complex and customized objects that would be difficult or impossible to manufacture using traditional methods. For example, a patient in need of a prosthetic limb can have one designed and printed that fits perfectly and is customized to their specific needs. This level of customization was not possible with traditional manufacturing methods, which often relied on mass-produced parts that had to be adapted to fit the individual. 3D printing also has the potential to revolutionize supply chain and logistics. With 3D printing, products can be manufactured on demand, reducing the need for large inventories and minimizing waste. This could lead to a more sustainable and efficient supply chain, with products being manufactured only when they are needed and without the need for long-distance shipping. Another benefit of 3D printing is that it is relatively fast and cost-effective compared to traditional manufacturing methods. The process of printing an object can take anywhere from a few hours to several days, depending on the size and complexity of the object. Additionally, 3D printing eliminates many of the costs associated with traditional manufacturing methods, such as tooling and setup costs, allowing for the production of small quantities of parts at a lower cost. However, there are also some challenges associated with 3D printing. One of the main challenges is that the technology is still in its early stages and has not yet reached its full potential. The materials used in 3D printing are also limited, and while they have improved significantly in recent years, they still lack the durability and strength of traditional materials such as metal and plastic. Another challenge is that 3D printing requires a high level of skill and expertise to operate, and the process is still not as user-friendly as traditional manufacturing methods. This is a barrier to wider adoption of the technology, particularly for small businesses and individuals who may not have the resources to invest in the necessary equipment and training. In conclusion, 3D printing is a rapidly evolving technology with the potential to revolutionize the way products are manufactured and distributed. It offers the benefits of increased customization, speed, and cost-effectiveness, but there are also challenges associated with the technology, including limited materials, lack of user-friendliness, and a need for specialized skills and expertise. As the technology continues to evolve, it will be interesting to see how it will impact various industries and the way we live and work.